Welcome to Trading Lounge and the US indices for Tuesday, October the 5th. Today we're going to be speaking about a double zigzag correction, and we're in the final stages of that. So we want to really understand the low that coming in here for our buying opportunity to get our Santa Claus run, so to speak, hopefully up towards these highs up through here from wave 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up here. So hopefully Santa will come a little bit earlier this year, but we'll just take it step by step. But let's dive in and have a look at where we are with this situation. We've got ourselves a 3-wave move in the first leg, so we'll label that a W and then an X and then also an A and a B and a C. So in a nutshell, we've got a double zigzag, so an ABC and an ABC. And we looked at this yesterday. I know there's a bit of difficulty with this, so it's this pattern here. So a single zigzag is an ABC, a double zigzag is an ABC for the W, an A, and missing the B here, but the C, and then an ABC. So it's basically an ABC and an ABC here. You could also get triple zigzags as well. So that's where we are in here, and let's go in and have another look at that. So the A, the B, and the C for the W, the X, the A, the B, and the C wave here, and that should complete us at this point. Now the 38.2% retracement level is around the 4100 sort of area in here. So anywhere in this space down into the 4,000 to the 2,000 area through here would be suffice, and we would obviously try to understand the wave count coming into that low. And just on the hourly chart here for this, so from the X wave, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here for the A wave. Yesterday we were looking for the B wave to move up, so we've got that and it's moved down now. There's a couple of things here with this move here. We can have the B wave completed, and that means that we'll be coming down. Now also too, if we're not completed, then obviously we're still going to be going to the upside. So we could look at this here. Let's just shoot the breeze on this for a moment. So the A wave here, the B wave here, and the C wave over here for the B wave. Now that said, if we see the market come up too far here, then you'll know where we are at that point, and you'll be looking for 5 waves to this old high here. If, however, it'd be quite simple to solve this. So the other way we could look at this is an A and a B and a C wave here for the B wave, but I have to say the C wave is a bit sharp, so it's probably wave 3. So in that case, we'll see this come down here, and then that would be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 here, and then we'll have an ABC pattern at that point as a bit of a rally, and then we'll come down for 3, 4 and 5 coming down into that space. So in that instance, we can just copy this here, and we'll have a look at this a little bit closer on the tick chart as well, but just getting the general gist of it in this space. So this is where we're looking. I mean, all we can do is, we know where the 38.2% retracement level is, just below the 4-1 area through here, but we'll just count our wave structures down, and when we get there, and that's it. So just to repeat this a little bit, just it's possible that we're still in the B wave. I don't think so because of the speed of which this has moved down. This would be wave 1, 2, 3 here, going back to 4, which will go a little bit higher, and then come down for 1. If you see a new low being made here, then you'll know that you're going to get a corrective rally that would pull back up 50-60% of that top to that low there as an ABC, and Then you can also look to short it below the B wave there. So an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave. So you can short it below the B wave at that point and take us into wave 3 at that point, and 4 and 5. So it could probably come down further. I mean, you know, we just got to see how it unfolds, you know, that's the thing. So let's just go to the tick chart here and have a bit of a closer look at this. So we'll need a little bit more data, not sure how much. There we go. So from the X wave, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here for the A wave. We can have the B wave here already done, an A and a B and a C for the B wave. And this is where it gets a little bit sort of interesting, and we can just go over what we've just been over. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for 1, back for 2 here. Down for 3, back for 4. Now the 38.2% retracement level for this is at 4,310 in here. So that means that this can just go to that level there. And this is what you just need to figure out. Will we see this go to here and then give us a new low here? Because the extension's in wave 3, so this wave 1 here will be roughly the same size, so it could come down to these previous lows here. If that is the case, then you're going to see an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave back up here struggling, and then rolling over down into this point. So now the other question here is that if this is an A and a B and a C wave for the B wave here, then we're going to have, from the low here, we're going to have 5 waves up to this old high again over here. So it's possible. I don't think it is the case, but I need to put it there just so you understand, you know. So what we could do in that point, if the 4,320 becomes the support, then you know where you are. You'll be going up here higher, and you can do a bit of scalping in that space. But then that would roll over at that point. Otherwise, if it just drops down through here, you can go short here, but probably not a good idea. Better off over here, and also better off probably looking at that, drawing a line through here with that. If you're going to go short here, it's okay, but you'll just need to maybe go a smaller position so you're not carrying such a big loss over here for that. But anyway, I'll leave all that up to you. You're the professionals, and that's it. So let's just sort of finish this off a little bit here. We'll be looking for wave 3, 4, and 5 coming down a bit lower in here for wave C of Y of 4. And that's it. So we're not that far from, you know, from our target areas and also our wave structures at this particular point. With the NASDAQ, the same thing here as well. You can see in this case here, the B wave was really quite small, but we'll get to that. But wave 3 here, wave 4 here with an ABC for the W, the X, and an A and a B and a C wave here for Y of 4. So this will be a double zigzag, so an ABC for a single zigzag, and then an ABC here for another zigzag. So we'll be down closer towards the 14,000 area here for support. Obviously above the 14,000 we've got 100, 200 and 300, and then 500. We're at the midpoint at the moment, but group 1, the midpoint, and group 2. So let's go to the hourly chart and pick this up here. So from this X wave here, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that we've been looking for. Yesterday we're looking for a rally. Didn't go as high as I would have liked it to, so that kind of a bit of a thing. This could also be a B wave here as well, so the same thing is going on here. So what we would need to see here is, once this little move up here is complete, we'll need to see another move down. If you get that move down, which will come into group 1, which would be 14,300, then you can expect a bounce off that level. So in that case, we can just open this up a little bit and look at from there to there, and that would rally back close to there. and we need a setup in there, so it would just be a simple A wave, B wave and C wave to here, and then wave 3 down to here. So once again, as we did yesterday, we can just draw a line through here and you can take that on board. So the point being here is that we need to see 5 waves down for that wave 1 here. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 for 1, and then back for 2 into the box, and then into 3, 4 and 5. So we can have this, you know, as a B wave low here, and if that's the case, then we'll just see a C wave come up to here for the B wave, and then we'll head on down at that point. So in that case, you'll just look for 5 waves in that move there. But this is why I think it's the case, because we've dropped right through. But I've seen, you know, this can be counted as an A wave, a B wave and a C wave here. Make no mistake about that. So we do need to wait for that. We do need to clarify 5 waves down here first, okay? So that's all we need to do, and then you can just look to short that rally, and in the bigger picture you understand that we need to come down further. And even though you may not trade stock, then it's probably a good idea to know where the stock are, because it's the stock that are creating the indices to a point. Alrighty, I'm going to leave it at that. Thanks for tuning in. Cheers.